Soundstream's formidable Arachnid series AR1.8000D boasts some serious power for such a slim amplifier. Soundstream claims this monoblock does 1500 watts RMS at 4 ohms, 2500 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and 4000 watts RMS at 1 ohm. Our boy BigDWiz tested this extensively, but we tossed it on our bench and gave it a go at 4 ohms. Stay tuned for that in a minute. Inside the box is a warranty card, instruction manual, remote bass control with extension cable, mounting screws, and monoblock amplifier. Judging from the look of it, do you think it's going to hit specs? Find out again in a minute. The AR1.8000D has a set of RCA inputs to connect directly to your head unit with a set of RCA cables or with a line output converter, as well as a set of RCA outputs to connect to another amplifier. And this amplifier can be strapped with an identical monoblock for double the power. For adjustments, the amp has gain control, low pass filter, subsonic filter, and bass boost with frequency. Connect the included remote bass control to its input and adjust bass levels up front. Use the single set of large gauge speaker terminals to wire one or more subwoofers with ease. We recommend a minimum of 4 gauge power and ground leads. Check out our amplifier installation kits online at qualitymobilevideo.com. Okay, let's test this Arachnid out. The first test we ran was frequency response, and as expected from its rated frequency response of 20 to 190 Hz, we saw a massive and immediate dip after 100 Hz. Next, we ran the amplifier at 4 ohms, 40 Hz, starting at 14.44 volts. Soundstream rates at 1500 watts here. We got a clean waveform using our phonic PAAX as a tone generator at 0 dB. Our AMM1 picked up about 576 watts RMS before the voltage began to drop to 12.7, 49.2 volts on the Lumi, drawing 49.93 amps of current. Our HP8903B audio analyzer spiked at 704 watts and then dropped to 676 watts as our voltage dropped, with 6.4% distortion. Going down to -1 dB, distortion dropped to 1.3% and our output dropped to 605 watts. Comparing the results with our homie BigDWiz, who ran this amplifier through his dyno and got 604 watts RMS at 4 ohms. It's safe to say that this amp is only pushing about half its rated output. At $200, that's not a completely horrible situation at 4 ohms, but still would love to see more accurate ratings here. Unfortunately, we are limited in how hard we could push the amplifier with 1 ohm and 2 ohm operation, but we can predict that 1 ohm and 2 ohm will offer the same results. Check out Big D's video for the rest of it. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car, audio, and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the video bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.